Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover for the Easter with the rapid shape. For that we need glue, googly eyes, cooling tool, round dias and some strips. So first of all friends, we will start from the body part of the rabbit, like from the main part. We need 3 strips, 2 pink, 297 mm, 297 mm and one is white 297 mm. We have to make it tight roll. And put in the 27 mm round dia. Make it the joint roll. So next step we have to make the feet and hands. For that we need one strip of 297 mm. We have to make it tight roll and put in the 15 mm round dia. Put the glue. Feet and hand both have same size and same style. Press from one side. Okay, I already make the 3 hands. Now we have to make the ears. For that we need one strip of 297 mm pink and one of white, that is 150 mm size, and we have to put it the same 15 mm round dia for ear. Put the glue and same style like a hand, and I already make the other one before. Now we have to make the face, mouth. For that we need 8 strips of white color. We have to make it the tight roll with the strips. Actually these strips are very thin, so that's why I'm using 2. Otherwise if you have a thick strips you can use the 4 strips of thick size. Put the glue and we make that face also. Now I will show you to make the rabbit here. This is just for the showing you. And for the nose we need pink strip of 3 mm wide, and the size we need 35 mm, sorry, 35 mm. We have to make it the tight roll also. And for the face, the white one, the mouth, we need 75 mm strips, 2 strips of 75 mm white. And put like this, join, and put in the middle the pink one to show the nose of rabbit. So finally friends, we have our stuff. So let's get started. Put the stuff on the paper. So I'll show you how to put the stuff on the paper. This is, we have to put the legs. And here face, 2 arms, ears on the top, the part of mouth, nose, and eyes. So finally friends, we complete our greeting card cover for the Easter. I hope you like our video friends. If you like our video, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel. And until next video friends, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and keep supporting our channel.